Sustain-TEX, the new road to a sustainable economic strategy in the textile sector, MOOC 4, Recycling, Waste Management, and Energy Transition.
Unit 4.3, Efficiency and Circularity in Textile. Author, Textile's Cat. This is the table of contents for this unit. 1. Introduction. Efficiency and circularity in the textile industry can be implemented in several ways. Factories have their own needs, realities, and challenges, and so the implementation of such sustainable solutions might be different in each case. In this chapter, some real cases on sustainable solutions already applied by companies will be exposed and sorted by field of application. Water solutions, initiatives targeted at reducing the water demands. Energy solutions, initiatives aimed at minimizing the energy consumption. Waste and materials, good practices in terms of waste reuse and recyclability. Machinery solutions, machinery challenges and solutions to exploit its efficiency. Strategy solutions, global company strategies and paths towards sustainability and business management. 1. Introduction. Companies might have a series of limitations to implement good practices related to sustainability in their factories. Those limitations might appear in terms of time, limits on expenditure, risks, legislation, etc. This is why this chapter will focus on real case best practices initiatives with different difficulty levels regarding their implementation and also focused on different sustainability paths. 2. Water solutions. The Catalan Office for Climate Change, OCCC, promotes the Voluntary Agreement Program as a tool for organizations wishing to voluntarily commit to reducing their greenhouse gas emissions beyond legal requirements. Participating organizations agree to monitor their greenhouse gas emissions annually and implement reduction measures. Edisilk SA is a subscriber of such pact and implements a water reduction monitoring. To achieve its goals, the company has implemented a circular water circuit where the water used for the textile processes is reused without throwing it away each time the process has to be done. This initiative permits the company a 70% water saving. APRE, water reduction, spring water usage instead of bottled water, registration of WC water use. 3. Energy solutions, FINSA, LED illumination, installation of LED lighting technology and substitution of regular or old lighting systems, which are much less efficient. This measure led to a significant reduction in energy costs and improved productivity, as workers could perform better with improved lighting. It also generated positive reactions from staff due to improved working conditions. Solar panels. Installation of solar panels across the factory roof. The amount of self-supplied and saved energy is considerable. The combination of energy reduction initiatives and self-production greatly amplifies the impact. 3. Energy solutions, ARP, solar panels. Previously, ARP was supplied by renewable energy purchased externally. Now they have added solar panels to produce their own energy. The aim is to reduce external energy supply progressively and fulfill their needs through self-production. Their next step is to install batteries to store energy generated over the weekend for use during workdays. 4. Waste and materials solutions, Polysilk, recycle and reuse polypropylene waste. It can be recycled up to 9 or 10 times. At the end, it can be burned and generates a lot of energy. All the loom edge waste is reused to make other products, such as injection parts. Now, all polypropylene waste is collected and recycled together, making it much easier to process. 4. Waste and Materials Solutions. PHINSA. Polypropylene Waste Management. Polypropylene collection campaigns every 2 months, about 2 tons collected annually. Waste from various companies is gathered and recycled. Sorting requires precision and workers need to be meticulous. For each kilogram, a small economic return is obtained. A project is underway to reuse defective material to make thread again, closing the loop in the circular value chain. This area requires more effort and cost due to the mixed nature of waste types, which must be clearly identified. Training and specific sorting locations are involved. The practice is becoming more widespread. 5. Machinery Solutions. ARPI. Machinery Performance Planning. Calendars are high-energy machines. Their operating schedule was adjusted so they don't start at the same time. Workers also begin their shifts earlier when energy costs are lower. This change benefited staff who now start at 7:30 a.m., take a shorter lunch break, and finish at 4 p.m. The challenge arises during peak periods when both calendars are needed. The strategy to address this involves energy storage with batteries. ARPI continuously uses performance indicators to evaluate and guide such initiatives. 5. Machinery Solutions. PHINSA. Machinery Upgrade. Many companies are investing in warehouse improvements and modern machinery due to legislative pressure and rising energy and raw material costs. Newer, more energy-efficient machines are trending. Workers also benefit from safer and more user-friendly machinery, reducing errors and accidents. 6. Strategy Solutions. Polysilk. Voluntary agreements focused on energy and water savings. Eco-designed products. PHINSA. Eco-designed products, savings in metal, internal and plastic, external supplier, materials, with cost reductions. Use of recycled cardboard packaging for some products, which is more economical. Strategy. Sustainability is integrated into all decisions while balancing factory functionality and economic constraints. Forecasting and sustainability assessments before implementation help ensure long-term benefits. ARPI. Annual and semi-annual sustainability reporting, monitoring through indicators and follow-up of corrective actions. All initiatives must comply with ISO certifications. External audits confirm authentic sustainability commitments and avoid greenwashing. A holistic focus on the process, not just the product, is emphasized with ongoing innovation. Carbon footprint calculations for products and reduction plans in place. 7. Conclusions. Initiatives targeting sustainable practices can be applied in several fields in regards factories and companies. All companies can implement different scope of initiatives to reduce their water and energy consumption and waste. The finances of the companies might be improved when such initiatives are applied with proper prevision. Constant changes in promoting sustainability within factories must be done to promote an effective, sustainable change. Once sustainable initiatives cannot reduce the impact on the environment, the next step is to compensate it somehow. Indicators are crucial to monitor the impact of the initiatives properly. Avoid pinkwashing practices. Being sustainable is not limited to one action or many actions that cannot be assessed and proved. These are the references used for this unit. Thank you for your attention.